Hey everybody, it's Abhishek Roka, and in this video we will set up a virtual environment using Conda. So first of all we have to download mini Conda. Just type mini Conda and you will get this link and you will see, and scrolling down here is a link to the exe file. Download it and install the Conda. After that you just have to type mini and you will just see things. This is an Anaconda prompt, and by default the base environment is base. Okay, now in order to check the environment list you just have to type conda env list, and you will see a list of the environment. So by default the base is the base environment. This environment was actually created by me till now. In order to create a new environment, type conda create -n. Now environment name, let it be work, and you can also choose the Python version. I am choosing Python 3.10. Now click enter, and in a few moments your Python will be created. I have to type y, so it will install these packages like pip python setup tool. It will help to set up your environment, and now my environment is created. Now if I list the environment again, conda env list, so you can see the work is now listed. It's great. CLS, now screen is clear. Now let me activate it. So conda activate work. Now the work environment is actually created. After this you have choice, either you can use conda to install packages or you use pip. So most of us here are from easy background, so we will use pip. If I type a phrase, there's nothing. Conda is actually used for scientific computing, so you can use conda. So you can use conda to install packages for your scientific computing. Otherwise pip is great for us. Now let's delete this environment. Okay, if you don't need it anymore, let me conda. First of all, deactivate. So first of all we have to deactivate this environment. Now we have deactivated it. Now let's delete. So conda remove -n work, your environment name, and -all. So it will delete all the packages inside this environment. Ask me why. Deleted all the packages here. Everything is done. Now one more thing. Now click on y. Now everything is done. CLS. Now if I type conda env list, so this is the list. Work is now gone. So by this way you can actually handle and also create your virtual environment using conda. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts you can ask me in the comments below. I'm your friend Abhishek Roka, and I will see you next time.